welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I am working with Ossilee hair. They sent me, oh listen, this hair shocked me, okay? I was not prepared. I didn't even know they were gonna send me 28 inches. I didn't know the hair was gonna be this bomb. I didn't know anything. This hair company is top tier. Let's get into this hair. It is so beautiful. You guys, what? Look at this mane. I feel like an Indian goddess princess. What? I have so much native and islander in my jeans. My hair don't know what to do but be beautiful and grow, okay? The hair is like the perfect amount heavy. It has body. It's got movement. Listen, honey. She's lacking where? Nowhere. Nowhere. Ossilee hair came through with a gem. I don't even want to take this wig off. Hello? Hello? Okay, so this is a 28-inch 13x6 frontal deep wave, okay? I did the side part with the little swoopy swoop doo-doo-doo. The lace is giving everything. You guys, if you guys want to see all the details on this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, y'all. Let's get into this fire wig, okay? All right, you guys, we're working with Ossilee hair today. So these are the goodies that you'll get in with your hair. Oh. Y'all, they sent me a 28-inch. I ain't never had hair this long. Let's get into it. Oh, she looks good. Like butter. She feels good. What? Get into these ends. I can't even hold my arm up to full. Okay, so this is a pre-plucked unit. Absolutely fabulous. Okay, so do you see how straight and sleek these edges are? Wow. Outstanding. This hair feels like butter. I ain't never seen body like this before. Okay, so let's get into the construct. So this is a, look at all the parting space on this frontal, y'all. Look at that. But 3 combs inside. We have some extra lace here. Adjustable straps on the side here. This is my new favorite hair company. Cause what? Look at this. All right, I have to go ahead and scoot back so y'all can see this mane. Okay, this hair is so beautiful. Okay, let's get into the lace real quick. The lace is Lane. Excuse me. Yes. Listen, this is 28 inches, y'all. This is as close as I've gotten to a 30-inch bust down. No, I did not know that they were going to send me a 28-inch wig. I did not ask for a 28-inch wig, but I ain't mad at it, okay? Wig is everything. This wig is everything. This is the wig that I'm going to be wearing all summer. I found it. This is it. What? Yes, this is it. It is so beautiful. Okay, let me go over it again.
It is a 13x6 deep wave frontal, 28 inches.
Look at, she is perfect. I feel like what kind of hair is, I don't know what kind of origin this is giving, but it's giving the one that you want to buy, okay? I will have all the information on this hair in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. Thank you again, Ossilee Hair, for sending me over this gorgeous wig. Like, you got, don't worry. I'm gonna wear this wig out. You better believe it. This is about to be my vacation hair, my date night hair. My stomach, she's here and she has arrived. The hair came just like this in the package. What? Make sure you guys get you one of these. Maybe you don't want it 28 inches. Maybe you want it 30. I don't know. She's giving top tier, okay? Yes. Okay, make sure you guys check out the information on this wig. Ossilee Hair, you get a double thumbs up for me. Absolutely. I have never heard of this hair company, but it needs to be on everybody's like top 3. Like, honestly. If you're looking for if you like curly hair, this hair is just giving so much quality. Like, I don't even know what else to say. I don't know what else to say, but this hair is just giving quality. Absolutely quality. I will have all the information for you down below, you guys. Definitely get this one for the summer. This is not one to skip out on or pass. You need to be running to their website and getting you one of these, okay? Period, period, period. Anyway, thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.